have 39 ferries operating on 19 routes all over Goa.
Earlier, how many were there? How many were stopped?
No, we had a few which we have scrapped after bridges have come in a few places, and at the same time we have also increased some ferries on certain routes as the demand has increased.
Any new ferries have been brought in?
And at the moment, yeah, we are in the process of tender stage where 3 new ferries are to be constructed.
Any routes and new routes have been identified?
No more further routes have been identified. We are expected to make a trip to in Kochi. In Kerala, they're having the ports department. There is already having solar powered ferries which are operating. So we are expected to go there to make a study and see how effective they are and how good they would be able to perform here in Goa, because we have got our own ferries at the moment, but we are operating on diesel. So if they are any economically viable, we shall bring all the data and accordingly study, and if need be, we shall replace at least some of the ferries solar powered. Most important is the cost effectiveness and the total cost of construction are the 2 major factors which will be taken into account. As of now, as I said, we are going on a tour, so we are going to do a study. So the exact cost and how many will be decided once we know the data and we assess the situation, how good and effective they are.
But any plans like how many in the first phase could be?
No, we have not decided anything at all. In fact, the minister is going to accompany us with my technical team. It's a study to be done before we assess how many we require.
So how feasible it could be as far as Goa is concerned when you talk about the temperature, the heat, would it be viable? What it would be? What is the government basically looking at when you're trying to put up study or put up solar ferries in Goa?
No, as I said, no, of course they will be viable because we have enough of sunlight. So basically we get charged on solar power. So I think we need to keep on hold and elaborate further once we do the proper study. Otherwise